Okay guys, before I mess up this room, I want to show you how a cruise ship cabin looks like. Oh, you open here with your key. That's the card I showed you with the mid-dinner. It's the same key. You just put it in here and boom, it opens. But you can see that's the fire many kilometers away. And you come to your cabin. And when you come in, there's a lot of information. There's light. There's a lot of information about everything, safety measures and everything. And when you come in here, you have your small TV. Yeah. And a place to put a few of your things. Oh, there's our bag. I made it. I didn't lose it. Then here we have the bed. That's one bed. I'm lucky to have a widow. Oh, I hope I can be able to make a life so that I can leave it here for you in the night as we cruise in the Baltic. Now, we put on the lights, maybe it will be lighter. Here is another bed. Everything here is a bed. This is another bed. You put this one up like this. You lift it up. You see the beddings there? That's a bed. This is another bed. You just pull it like this. That's another bed. But I'm all alone in this cabin. I'm all alone. A little decor just to make you feel like home. Nice curtains. Place to put your things. That's how it is. There's a mirror over there. I won't show you because you might see me. I never show myself. Not that I'm special, but that's how I chose to. There's a place to hang your clothes, your jackets and everything. A few shelves here. Then we have the lavatory. Beautiful, clean. With a mirror. Well lit. And here is the bathroom. They try to make everything comfortable. Put your curtains there. And there you can shower. Very clean. Did I? I'm gonna check that one. That's how it is. I have all this to myself. 40 hours. But you are never here. There's a lot of action everywhere. Most of the day tomorrow we are out. We go out to Riga city in Tallinn. Yep, that's it. Let me check. Subscribe, small short ones.